Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chad Kaderi, and in this brand new update, I'm super excited to bring you something that we've been working on probably for like the last 6 or 7 months. I love funnels. I build funnels. We use funnels in our business on almost every single thing that we do. If you're not building funnels and if you're not using funnels inside of your agency, inside of your campaigns, inside of your clients' campaigns, I don't know what you're doing. You got to get with the program 2024. Funnels is the thing. So I wanted to figure out, well, how can I make it easier for you guys to be able to build funnels? And that's literally exactly what our team did. So for the last about 6 or 7 months, our funnel building team, our literal designers, our graphic designers, our copywriters, everybody has kind of come together behind the scenes, and we've literally built out 124 different templates for funnels that you can one-click use with the click of a button, and bam, it gets installed inside of your My Funnels tab literally within a minute. Okay, and the coolest part is that they're all free. So you can literally just start using these templates today. So just a quick overview of how kind of everything works. It's very simple. We've added 124 new templates, and you can see we have categories. So we have application funnels, we have book funnels, right? We have challenge funnels, we have lead magnet funnels, right? Sales funnels. One really cool thing, if I go back to lead magnet funnels, this might look familiar to a lot of you. These are actual InstaSite 2-page landing sites. So the landing pages that we had in InstaSites that were 2 pages, we actually converted them into funnels for you. So for those of you guys that were using it, you can just actually use the actual funnels app instead of using InstaSites, which is like more of like a website, right? And those are all here. So let's just go to an application funnel, or maybe like a sales funnel as an example. We also have like summit funnels, VSL funnels, webinar funnels. So depending on the type of funnel that you're looking for and the type of campaign / strategy you're trying to accomplish here, grab the funnel that's going to work best for you. And by the way, we're going to continuously add more templates. We have a whole team basically dedicated to just adding templates. So you should be seeing new templates pop up here almost every single couple of days. So as we build the templates on the back end, we're just going to publish it globally. We built an awesome little tool for our team to just click a button once the template's done, and then bam, it gets live inside of your dashboard, right? So as an example, let's just go to, I don't know, any template, right? So if I go click on preview, you'll see that this is a sales funnels template. And in this template, we have a sales funnel, we have an upsell page, we have a downsell page, we have an order page, right? And I can actually preview what it looks like. So if I just go over here, I can click the preview button, and I can actually see, look how beautiful these templates are, right? I can see exactly, here's my upsell page, right? I can click on that, right? And I can see my upsell page. And all you have to really do is literally just install the template, right? So let's say that's the template that I want, right? I would just click use funnel, and it would automatically go into my funnels tab, and you have your funnel, and you just can go in there and swap everything out. You take our headline and you put your headline. You take our copy and you put your copy. You take our images, you put your images. But the entire structure of the template is built professionally for you. All the checkout elements have already been added to the page. You just add your product to it, and bam, you're done. If you love it, show some support. Tell us how much you love the product. Reply back to this if this is an email. Drop your comments down in the post below if you're seeing this on social. I'm super excited about it. 124 brand new templates added for free into your account right now that you can use, and more coming your way. Happy Friday, and I'll see you on the next update.